Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use Fotor AI image generator tool. Here you can type Fotor AI and here you can see you can generate AI images. You can generate from image to a new image. You can enhance your image as well as you can generate a face. You can also generate portrait. So using this tool and platform you can use multiple options. Simply click here generate button and on the left side here you can see the menu. For example, let me type top 10 freelancing platforms and after that click here generate button. Now it will ask you to create a free account. Now let me type generate car image, then click here generate button and here you can see it is working. Now image is ready. You can save this image into your laptop. You can like it and you can share it with your friends. Okay, let me save it in my laptop and view it. Here you can see our full HD image is ready.